guys, so today we're just going to be doing a mini unboxing of Dynamic Nail Supply. I have done them on my channel before, but this is just some different items other than acrylics that I got this time that we will be checking out, and I will be giving y'all a slight review on them and just seeing what else they have in the shop. So let's jump into the video. I ordered some more stuff, y'all. It's getting out of hand. This is my third order with them. The shipping was exactly the same. It came right on time, y'all. I ordered on Thursday and I got everything on today. Today is, well, I'll be posting this tomorrow, but today is Tuesday. I ordered Wednesday, it shipped Thursday, I received on Tuesday. I was actually supposed to receive this yesterday. So I don't know what happened with the shipping, but it didn't come yesterday. But nonetheless, it is still on time and came fairly quickly compared to these other brands. I won't name no names. Valentino.
And
But yeah, so let's see what we have here. I kind of remember what I ordered. I know I ordered a brush, some acrylics, of course. Y'all know I love my acrylics. Okay, so we have, let's just take everything out and then I'll introduce everything to y'all. So first things first, we have the extra large square tips, no C curve. They give you 500 of these. I'll link how much they were in the picture for you all. Their packaging is really nice. This packaging is nice for the tips. And I already have some, but yep, they look nice. They look like the last ones that I got, actually. I got the same ones off AliExpress, I think for $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. So y'all do what y'all will with that. But these come way faster. So as I said before, when purchasing from AliExpress, you're pretty much purchasing for the price. When purchasing from other companies that might possibly get their stuff from AliExpress, you are purchasing for the time frame of when the speediness of getting it. So here I decided to get some precision gel. That would be for my rhinestones. As y'all know, I use the Macart rhinestone gel and I love it because look at this, y'all. Y'all remember when I did these? All my stones are still on, even the big ones. Like, all of them are still on. So I am a diehard Macart advocate, okay? For the gel, for the rhinestone gel. I definitely recommend Macart rhinestone gel. But I'm, of course, going to give this a try. Now, this is a small, really small bottle, you guys. This is a really small bottle. But I'm going to still give it a go. And obviously I'm not going to test everything today. I'm just going to give y'all swatches of the acrylics today, but I'll for sure mention it in the video if I ever do, when I use it. I know I'm going to use it, so when I use them, I will be mentioning them, and I will definitely be updating y'all to tell y'all how they worked out for me. All right, so then we got some, they hand make 3D flowers for you all. So I think they added two, oh no, you get two, I guess you get two of them when you order. So I got these. These are so cute. They're just little handmade acrylic 3D flowers, and they hand make them for you so that you don't have to. Now, is this on the pricier side? I think it's a little pricey to be buying handmade flowers instead of just making your own. But if you want like real intricate, different ones like this, then it's worth it because y'all, I don't know how to do that. Do y'all? So they're super pretty. Okay, so then I picked up some, I think I picked up some Bond some nail bond and primer. So let me, oh, okay, they made sure this was not getting messed up. Their packaging comes really put together and really nicely. So I've never had any issues with their packaging, or shipping. So they are a 10 out of 10. Oh wait, I did, on one of my videos, I did have one of the acrylics kind of spill and get dirty. So that was that. But other than that one acrylic, I haven't had any issues with their packaging or their shipping. Okay. Whew. So this one is the nail dehydrator. And then this one is the primer. So I'm going to put this on first. The dehydrator, I don't know why I thought this was saying that it was like another bond or something. But yeah, this is the dehydrator, like the alcohol or your Mia Secret dehydrator. That's what this is. And then this is the primer. So I'm going to, I bought these together so that I could test them out together. And tell y'all if it's gonna stick like this, because my nails never come off. And right now I'm using, right now I use the Mia Secret dehydrator and bond, and then I also use protein bond from Young Nails right after the Mia Secret steps. So that's what I do right now. That's what works for me. Obviously I'm gonna try a couple other things out for you all to see, and that's that. So I did get this nail brush, you guys, and already kind of upset about that. That's a little irritating, but I'm gonna wet it. It comes pinched, which is really nice. Thank you guys. I've heard nothing but good things about these brushes, you guys. I've heard nothing but good. They are the regular price brushes, but I've had nobody say that these are bad brushes. I've heard everybody say that they like these brushes. So I might give this brush a go in my next video. We shall see. I'm not gonna use it to swatch, or maybe I will. Yeah, let's use it to swatch. So here we have the color Peach Naive. And this one is $5.99 on the site, you guys. Y'all see I took these, I've been taking these off. I just wanted them for the video when I did them, but I'm about to do another video with some dip powders. I'm about to do some dip powders for you all. But this one is the Peach Naive. That's a pretty color. And then we have, okay, so when I got this, you guys, this is, I don't know if this is made for, yeah, this online says a dipping powder. It doesn't say to use for like nail tips, acrylic. It doesn't say the 2-in-1. So I'm guessing this is just a dipping powder, but we'll still try it out. I didn't realize that I got that. But I mean, I don't know. Dipping powders are always good to have. And I also see some people use dipping powders as just regular acrylic. So this one is, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't give y'all the name. That is called Cobalt 007. So this next one is Glow Yellow. I don't know what the GR stands for, but, or maybe it stands for yellow green. I guess yellow green. But this is a glow in the dark acrylic, you guys. And they have multiple shades. I will link that for y'all so you can see, but they have multiple shades. I just decided to be me and go over the top and get the brightest color that they had, which was this one, the yellow. So I will be swatching that for you all as well. Then we have the Definite White. I think this is just their like regular white, all white, perfect white. This is 022. It's called Definite White, and I'm sure it's just as white as I think it will be. That's what that looks like. I got a 2 ounce of this because I don't really know why I got 2 ounces of white. I honestly don't use white a lot. Like, I don't use white a lot. I love colors. So you guys, this is the one that is featured on their Instagram. And everybody kept saying, what color is that? What color is that? So I had to match them up, y'all. I seen the numbers on the stick on their swatch on Instagram, and I had to match it up. So I ended up matching it up, and I found that it was lavender. And this color, y'all, is so pretty. And I do not have a purple like this, so it was a must-have for me. And I definitely got it in a 2 ounce because I already know I'm gonna like their acrylic. So I got it in a 2 ounce, and I just can't wait to swatch this for you all, because y'all, like, it's very, very pretty. So you guys, that is all I got from them this time. All of this stuff actually came up to $105, which is crazy. But again, this brush was about 30 of that. And the acrylics were, I mean, the nail tips were 10, so that's 40. I think these were like about 10, so that was another, that was 50. And I got these, that was probably like 57, 58, I'm not sure. And then these two were $8 a piece, and the other ones were $6 a piece. So that's why it came up to that for that little bit of stuff. However, it's all worth it. I do love Dynamic Nail Supply acrylics. Like, that's one thing I can vouch for them. I love their acrylics. So let's just go on and get into the swatching. I think I'm going to leave all of this in real time, just for y'all to see exactly how it goes on without speeding it up. But here I am just breaking the brush in. I was seeing if the little frayed bristles that were standing up would go away, and they did, so that was cool. The first one that I'm taking is the glow in the dark yellow green, and I'm just swatching them for you guys. This one was a really, really pretty yellow, and I can't wait to show y'all how it glows in the dark. I didn't show it on this video, but I'll probably do like full nails with this acrylic just to show the glow and the consistency and how it applies. I did feel like it was a little bit on the drier side, but when you get really bright acrylics, that's usually how they are. Nonetheless, it still went on perfectly fine for me, and I was able to work with it. Drop a lemon below if you have made it this far, because I will be giving away the polygel kit that I did in my Amazon video. So then we're taking the cobalt blue, I think it's just called cobalt, and this is the dipping powder, you guys, but I still want to swatch it for you guys. And honestly, I feel like I can use this as an acrylic. I don't feel like it'll give me any issues being used as an acrylic.
Sorry I'm late, but can I take...
This next one is Peach Naive 002, and this is another peachy nude color that I love. I do have some colors similar to this, but not a lot. So that went on beautifully. It went on the swatch stick beautifully. I honestly had no complaints out of any of these acrylics, and that was to be expected because as I said, I've done 2 other videos on these acrylics on their online store, and they have it in store. I can't remember where they're located, but I think it's in Texas. But don't quote me. But that is what it looked like. And yeah, I've had no issues with any of their acrylics, so I knew getting these that they would be exactly what I wanted. This one is Definite White, and I was just showing how it polymerized, and it did that beautifully as usual. I did feel like this one was a little on the drier side when swatching, but I also was making my brush a little drier, and I was doing that because this brush compared to my Pana brush holds a lot more liquid. It's a little thicker towards the actual the handle. It's a little thicker. So we're taking lavender, and this is the one that everybody raves about. So y'all know I had to give this a good swatch for y'all. Now right here, I'm taking the Definite White and I'm putting it on top of the swatch stick. Now I'm doing this because I wanted y'all to see exactly how it applies versus just putting it inside where you pretty much have a guide for you. You have no guide when it's on top, so you are working it as if you would actually be laying acrylic on a real nail. So here my brush was too wet at first, and like I said, I just have to get used to this brush because it holds a lot more liquid than my Panna brush, and that's the one that I always use is my Panna Mahogany size 12. This brush is the Dynamic Nail Supply size 10, and it's a little thicker towards the handle part. So the bristles are a little thicker towards the handle part. But nonetheless, it still works fine. I was still able to gain control of the acrylic. It's very easy. This acrylic, I'm trying to tell y'all, this acrylic is so easy to work with. Like, it's definitely beginner friendly. It is a little more, it's medium set, but it's more towards the slow drying time. So if you do not like, medium or slow drying acrylic, then you might not, this might not be ideal for you. So here I was just showing you all how the brush looked after use, and it wasn't bad. The bristles did start sticking up a little bit. I just wet it, and I also dipped it in my brush cleaner afterwards to let it sit overnight and soak overnight. No acrylic got stuck in my brush, so that was a definite plus. And it went back to how it was before once I cleaned it. So that was great. I just went ahead and compared the two side by side, my Panna on the left, my Dynamic on the right, and the Dynamic is a size 10, my Panna is a size 12. However, I feel like the Dynamic was a little thicker and held a little more liquid, so that was fine. Nonetheless, I do like them both, but I do appreciate my Panna more at this point. I enjoyed everything that I got in this kit, you guys. Well, in this box, I should say, because I ordered all this stuff with my own coins and I loved everything that I got so far. I can't wait to test everything that I got out. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment below of some acrylics or brands that you all use that I don't know about, because I'm so into using and trying other brands. Like, that is a thing for me. So just let me know down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.